So we're looking at whether imaging might help in terms of early development. Imaging covers a wide variety of things. So there's medical imaging, so we're looking at magnetic resonance imaging, PET, positron emission tomography, and then we're also looking at cellular imaging, microscopic imaging. Could imaging help? I think the answer is yes, but it's a qualified yes. So if we've got the right imaging measures for the application in hand, then yes, I think it can definitely help. The field is moving forward at a rapid pace. We're getting new techniques coming forward. We're gaining greater experience across oncology, neurology, etc. But it's got to be the right measure for the application in hand. So imaging is a really powerful series of techniques, and in terms of speeding up the completion of work, in terms potentially of reducing cost as well, imaging's got a great role to play. So my work falls at the boundary between academic work and clinical work. I'm interested in taking new cutting edge techniques and putting them through into clinical practice. And working in a hospital, we're obviously very interested in bringing new drugs, new treatments through to benefit the patients that we're here to serve. And so clinical trial work is really important to us, and we do a lot of work advising pharma, advising industry, working with them on new techniques and new clinical trials. Okay, so imaging's got a variety of roles. It can have a safety role, so we've got a new drug coming through for the first time. Is there an unexpected side effect? Is there some downside of that to patients? We want to pick that up very quickly if that is the case. Normally we look at low doses and then we go up to higher doses, and you want to be able to pick up any of those negative side effects as quickly as possible. Imaging is great as a biomarker, so we can use it as an outcome measure in some clinical trials, and then also we can use it to explore the mechanisms. How is the drug working? What impact is it having? So all three of those, imaging's got a great role to play. So we've been working on a couple of things recently. My field is imaging in neurology, neurosurgery, psychiatry. We've been looking at hippocampal measures and their use in Alzheimer's disease, coming up with some international standards, working with colleagues from Europe and North America. We've finalised that work, led by colleagues elsewhere, finalised that recently. And then the second thing we've been doing is working on new PET measures for looking at amyloid in the brain. Amyloid in the brain, a key marker for Alzheimer's disease, and if we're going to get effective drugs for treating Alzheimer's, we need a good way to measure that. So those are the two exciting things I've been working on recently.